Hi everyone, today I'll be walking you through the accreditation process. To get started is simple. Go to your personalized online store, look for the login link, click on that. You'll see IBO login, click on that, and it will take you to the following page. If you've already signed in, you'll just simply click here to proceed, and if not, you'll put in your ID number and password and then proceed. Now you're in your back office landing page. Look for the products tab, click on that, and you'll see the menu. Click on healthcare, click there, and it will take you to the impact training page, the main page, where you'll find lots of information about impact. Click here for more. This is where you'll find all of your training materials and videos, but what we want to do right now is click here to begin your healthcare accreditation. On this page, you'll complete the form to receive your email link with your test. So go ahead and put in your first and last name, your phone number, your email. Make sure you have your correct ACN IBO number handy. Fill that in, and then you're going to click Get Started to generate the email link with your test. Hop on over to your email. You should receive the Impact Accreditation email within a minute or so. This is what your accreditation test looks like. Make sure to use the guidelines and help center links to assist you because it is open book test and all of the answers can be found in there. Then start your accreditation. You must get a 90% to pass. The test takes about 20 minutes. If you don't get a 90%, at the end you're going to see all of your answers right and wrong. You can fix the ones you got wrong, take the test again, get yourself accredited right away, and start selling Impact today.